TCPI, or to complete performance index, is what should be the cost efficiency to complete the project work with the original budget. It is determined by comparing how much work is still left and how much funds are still left. So TCPI equals remaining work divided by remaining funds. Remaining work is total value of work minus value of work completed. So that will be BAC minus EV. Remaining funds is total funds minus money already spent. That will be BAC minus AC. So TCPI equals BAC minus EV divided by BAC minus AC. If going exactly per plan, TCPI is 1. If over budget, TCPI is less than 1. And if under budget, TCPI is greater than 1. Higher the TCPI above 1, the lesser the chances that the project can be completed with the budgeted funds. Few other factors will also have to be considered in making this statement. Are there any big risks? How much time is left? How is the quality, especially technical quality or performance? One other thing, if EAC has been calculated, it can also be used to find out TCPI, the required efficiency to complete the work with the forecasted total spend. So TCPI in that case will be BAC minus EV divided by EAC minus AC. So for the post-installation project discussed in the earned value for establishing current status video, TCPI will be BAC minus EV, which is 65, and BAC minus AC, which is 60. So TCPI is 1.08. For each dollar spent, 1.08 post has to be installed so that the project can be finished with the original budget of $100. Or each post should be installed at a cost of 92 cents going forward.